welcome to my channel. Hello, math stars. Today, we're learning how to add 3 to other numbers. We'll start at 3 plus 0 and go all the way to 3 plus 20. Ready? Let's add like champions. 3 plus 0 equals 3. We start with 3, add nothing, and stay at 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Just one more than 3 makes 4. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3, then 2 more makes 5. 3 plus 3 equals 6. That's a perfect double. 3 plus 4 equals 7. We're climbing up. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Almost at 10. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 3 away from 12. 3 plus 7 equals 10. We made it to 10. 3 plus 8 equals 11. One more than 10. 3 plus 9 equals 12. That's a dozen. 3 plus 10 equals 13. Into the teens we go. 3 plus 11 equals 14. Keep counting up. 3 plus 12 equals 15. Halfway to 23. 3 plus 13 equals 16. Getting higher. 3 plus 14 equals 17. Big numbers now. 3 plus 15 equals 18. Almost at 20. 3 plus 16 equals 19. One away from 20. 3 plus 17 equals 20. We hit 20. 3 plus 18 equals 21. The numbers are growing and growing. 3 plus 19 equals 22. Wow, that's high. 3 plus 20 equals 23. We did them all. Let's do a recap. Wow, you just learned all the ways to add with 3 from 3 plus 0 all the way to 3 plus 20. The more you practice, the faster you will remember them. So, go ahead, rewind this video, watch it again, and master your 3s like a math superstar. See you next time for more number fun. Goodbye. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.